We just hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube for the Crunchbros. Whoa! So we're actually gonna go do a celebration mukbang. So we're gonna go pick up a few things from Tokyo Central. You guys should have seen our last visit to Tokyo Central, so make sure you guys go check that one out. The video's in the playlist down below. Make sure you guys go check it out. So we're actually at Costco right now. We're gonna grab some gas first, and then we're gonna head over to Tokyo Central, and then you guys can stick around to see what we actually pick out, and you guys can see what we're gonna be doing for our video. This is gonna be so cool, guys. All right, make sure you guys stay tuned.
Yes! Yes! Can you say yay? Yay!
Nice. All right, guys, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, we gotta wait for Mommy. Go, Mommy. Nice, you made it. It's so much easier to pack up all the groceries with that laundry basket hack. That's a game changer. Okay, you ready? Hey, you're not even strapped in. Safety first.
You're not buckled.
I'm not buckled in. I gotta buckle in. All right, we're gonna head on home now. Get the dinner ready. Hopefully you guys saw what we got.
There's a surprise factor.
There's a surprise factor. So you guys are gonna have to wait and watch the Crunchbros in action to see what that surprise is. You might know what we're eating.
But how are we gonna eat
But how are we gonna eat it? That's a good one, Crunch Mom. Hey, you're still not strapped in. We gotta get out of here. All right, let me strap you in. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Whoa!
Whoa! Okay, so we just finished up with the Crunch Bros episode.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. So we want to just say thank you to everybody.
Yeah.
The Crunch Bros just hit 200,000 subscribers. Whoa!
Yeah.
So we just want to say thank you on this channel. We want to say thank you to everyone who transitioned over from the Crunch Bros over to the CrunchTube. Thank you guys for coming to watch us on the CrunchTube.
Yeah.
We're all done.
Yes.
We'll see you guys next time.
We'll see you guys next time. Look at me.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. Jordan doesn't have sugar. He doesn't have sugar rushes. He doesn't have sugar highs. He has food highs.
Yeah.
Oh. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Whoa.
I'm gonna get a food sugar high.
Okay. We'll see you guys next time.
Crunchbros.
We'll see you guys. Bye-bye.
But